What is up, guys? Jeremy here, and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to crash your iOS device by saying one word over and over again. It's pretty interesting, and like I said, it will make your device crash. It'll basically respring, and it's pretty interesting. So let's just go ahead and let's swipe down here, and let's click on the dictation symbol here. Hyphen, 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 and it crashes. It's such a weird glitch. As you can see, literally it makes my device like respring basically. You can even do it from the lock screen, which I thought was really interesting. So if we, let's see here, let's go over to our widgets here and then click on dictation from here. Hyphen, 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 and it crashes it. It's such a weird glitch. This is on iOS 12. Obviously, it's on the XS Max. I'm sure it would work on your device. If you guys want to, let me get my face in view. If you guys want to confuse your friends, you can do it. It doesn't seem to work with Siri. I tried that. I tried to use Siri. It did not work, but it does work with the dictation, as you guys seen. I'll do it one more time just so you guys see here. Hyphen, 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 and crash. Pretty weird glitch on iOS 12. I hope you guys enjoyed this weird video. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later. Hyphen, 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 hyphen.